New year, new tips for you fellow real estate agents. In this video, I will share 2 things you have to start doing if you haven't yet, and 2 things you have to stop doing. I think what I will share is helpful, so keep on watching. Hi, I'm Mean Clemente, a real estate broker and content creator based in the Philippines. If you want to learn more about the real estate practice, consider subscribing to this channel. At oo nga pala, kahit tapos na ang 2022, kapag napanood mo itong video, makakatulong pa rin ang mga tips na i-share ko. And the 2 things you should start doing if you haven't yet are, number 1, use commission income to invest in real estate. You should do this because you are in a better position to earn substantial returns when you invest. Meron kang education, insider knowledge at experience, kaya alam mo kung good deal ang property o hindi. Minsan, bago pa ma-post ang listing online, kaya natin maunang magbigay ng offer dahil sa connection natin o dahil meron tayong access sa MLS. Nakakatipid ka rin sa commissions kasi ikaw na yung magsasara ng deal. Maliban pa dyan, mas makaka-attract ka ng maraming clients kasi investor ka rin. Once you've built your portfolio, which includes rental properties, you get to save for retirement and you continue earning even after you retire. Number 2, take your real estate career to the next level. Kahit bago ka o hindi sa real estate, kailangan pag-isipan at planuhin mo kung anong susunod sa career mo. Just take note that all of us start out with different strengths and weaknesses. So what might be the next level for others might not be for you. Kung matagal ka ng accredited real estate salesperson at natutunan mo na yung ins at outs ng real estate industry mula sa pinagtatrabahuan mong real estate broker, panahon na para maging real estate broker ka. Get a bachelor's degree in real estate management, more especially that most classes offer it 100% online these days because of the pandemic. Pwede mong panoorin yung video na ilalagay ko dyan. Kapag magpa-practice ka pa lang bilang isang real estate broker, ang next level mo ay ang pagrehistro mo ng iyong negosyo. Kaya kukuha ka ng BIR Form 2303. Hindi ka makakapag-issue ng official receipt sa kliyente mo kapag nag-general brokerage ka ng wala yan. At kung magpa-project selling ka naman, kapag magpapa-accredit ka sa real estate developers, hahanapin din ang BIR Form 2303 mo at kailangan mo silang bigyan ng copy niyan. Anyway, if the process of registering your business is confusing for you, Taxumo can help you register your business with Taxumo BizReg. Just send the documentary requirements and they will handle everything else for you. Aside from business registration, they can also file your income tax returns and pay your taxes for you. If you don't have a Taxumo account yet, you can sign up for a free account through the link in my description. And if you will be availing their subscription plan, use my code ownpropertyphilippines to get 10% off. Kung ikaw naman ay matagal ng real estate broker, maring fulfilling na para sa'yo ang residential real estate kung saan karamihan sa bagong real estate brokers ay nagsisimula. Pero kung dumadami sa kliyente mo ay bumibili ng niche real estate, ang example niyan ay beach houses, farms, cabins, o affordable housing, maring mas mainam paunti-unti ka nang mag-start mag-focus sa niche market. Another way for a real estate broker to take his career to the next level is to own a brokerage firm. But it's important to remember that just because you were a top seller or you gained a lot of awards doesn't mean you should put up and lead a firm right away. Kailangan mong paghandaan kapag magtatayo ka kasi ng sarili mong brokerage firm, kaya ng pag-develop ng leadership, management, public relations, at general business skills mo. Kailangan mo rin syempre ng puhunan para sa mga overhead costs, gaya ng pambayad sa kuryente, tubig, office rent, at iba pa. Pwede ka rin mag-franchise ng established brokerage firm or real estate company gaya ng Remax, Keller Williams, at iba pa. Kaso, kailangan mo ng mas malaking puhunan dahil kilala na yung pangalan pangalan nila. Para sulit din ang pag-franchise mo, better na meron kang masipag na team. Those are some of the ways you can take your career to the next level. Whether you are ready or not, continue to invest time and money in getting continuing professional development units, certifications, and even additional licenses to set you apart from others. Share ko lang pala sa inyo, nung una wala talaga akong balak kunin yung real estate appraiser's licensure examination. Pero dahil sa encouragements ng mga real estate consultants na nakilala ko at para mag-grow rin ako, naisip ko na mag-take ng board exam ngayong taon. What I mentioned are the 2 things you should start doing. Now, for the 2 things you should stop doing. Number 1, judge people based on appearance or social media account. When it's normal to do open houses and a person walks in, treat him or her respectfully no matter what he or she is wearing. Marami sa talagang may kakayanang bumili ay low profile manamit. Siguro kasi hindi naman na nila kailangang mag-show off na may pera sila. If you advertise and someone messages you, don't judge if they can buy or not based on their social media account. Yung iba makikita nyo na walang laman ang social media account, o yung iba kahit anong hanap mo, wala talagang social media account o digital footprint. Wala lang talaga silang panahon siguro sa social media kasi focused sila sa pagtatrabaho. At kahit alam mong wala pa talagang kakayanang bumili, yung nag-i-inquire sa'yo, sagutin mo. Hindi man bumili pero mararamdaman nila na tayo bilang real estate service practitioners ay narito para tumulong at hindi ang habol natin ay pera. Number 2, be afraid of using new technology or new social media platforms for real estate marketing. Marami sa real estate brokers na nakilala ko ay ayaw sumubok ng bagong technology dahil kung anong nakasanayan, yun na lang ang gagawin nila. Pero sayang naman ang dami ng options ng real estate products na pwede natin gamitin para ma-level up ang ating real estate marketing. Pwede kang mag-virtual staging para mas ma-visualize ng buyers ang binibenta mo. Lalo na marami sa buyers ay hindi basta-basta magpa-property viewing dahil may pandemic. Tapos ngayon meron pang Omicron variant, diba? Use drone or aerial photography or videography also to give your clients a bird's eye view of the property. Although if you want to be serious about being a drone pilot and you also want to provide commercial services on the side, you may want to get a RPAS controller certificate, RPAS registration certificate for your drone, and RPAS operator certificate from the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines. You can also implement 3D virtual tours or video tours for your listings. Huwag mo lang din limitahan ang sarili mo sa social media platforms na gamit mo ngayon na maaaring Facebook at Instagram. Kung may oras ka pa, sumubok ka rin mag-post sa mga bagong social media platforms kasi malay mo, yun pala ang mas suitable para sa'yo. At doon ka makakakuha ng maraming kliyente. Nung bago pa lang ang TikTok, may mga real estate agent na sinubukan yon at dahil effective yung content na ginagawa nila doon, ang taas ng reach nila at nakakuha sila ng maraming clients. Well, ako, open din naman ako sa pag-try ng social media platforms. Yun nga lang, sa ngayon, wala lang talaga akong oras kasi nag-aaral ako habang nag-work. Anyway, that is for the 2 things you should stop doing. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give this video a like. Again, I'm Ann Clemente and thank you for watching Own Property PH.